السلام عليكم أهلا وسهلا يا شباب. تفضل في هناك لحم كثير مندي ممكن كله. هناك في شغل كارم بورد كرد كله كرد.
كم فلوس هذا الشغل كله؟
أنا صديق ما في فلوس.
ما في فلوس. أيوة مشكور ياك الله.
تفضل أخي أنا عربي خلاص.
بشوف. Assalamualaikum guys, so we are here at Tim Hortons JBR in Dubai. We are going to try their decaf. So let's see if they have the decaf over here. And let's get inside and see what things they have fresh. And I brought my brothers over here to try this thing out today. Really excited. We're here, JBR, and look at the beautiful rides over here.
Shamas bhai.
So basically this is the Ferrari, Lamborghini Urus and some more. So quite nice experience, you know. It's here 2 a.m. and this is a 663 AMG bi-turbo. And again, you know, two fine cars, you know, hypercars, supercars. So Timbits, unfortunately, they don't have decaf in this branch in JBR, but we are trying their latte, mocha, cappuccino and espresso. Nice selection of cakes over here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. And again, you know, they have a nice place over here to drink. Let's see. Out, really excited trying over here in JBR branch. So today we are going to enjoy Tim Hortons with our brothers
सबके अंदर ना ये एस्प्रेसो कॉमन
Khurram, Farouk and Zubair. And this is the famous Timbits.
इसके अंदर भी अमेरिकानो कॉमन है.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
क्या लेके फिर जा रहे हो?
वो बता रहा हूँ सबके अंदर अमेरिकानो कॉमन है. इसके अंदर फिर इक्वल अमाउंट जितनी
किसके किनारे खड़ी होती है? साहिल के किनारे ना.
Guys, we've just had Tim Hortons and it's a lovely experience over here. We're going to go and explore more. It was great, you know. The only regret I have is that they didn't have decaf, so that's something that I didn't enjoy. But nevertheless, you know, let's go and check some things out over here. Very rare to see Rolls-Royce Ghost, Lamborghini Gallardo 3. Just a lovely experience to see all these hot rides in over here. And wow, you know, it's really unreal what we're looking. And let's go and see some more rides. You know, this place just woke up at night, you know. Nightlife, nothing better than Dubai. So alhamdulillah, you can see the noise, you know, of the cars. Guys, this is another hot ride over here. 3-cycle. And we are just going to explore JBR at this time. So the best thing is at this time you can explore them. There's hardly anyone here, but especially during a weekday, it's totally full. So this is one of the best places to be, close to the beachfront, a nice place to shop, open concept. JBR, there's a nice open concept cafe, and as you can see, people are enjoying over here. And again, you know, mostly hookah, shisha or coffee. So it's nice, you know. The weather is good and the people are just having a blast. Luxury rent-a-car here in JBR, and as you can see, they have wonderful cars. Lamborghini Aventador and a 458. So you can rent these out over here and drive them. It's a wonderful place to basically drive over here. Really beautiful area, and again, you know, this is the place with cheap fuel, so you will not get this opportunity anywhere again. So guys, today we are here at the Ain Dubai Blue Waters. So let's see what we are going to see. Oh, it's 2 a.m. and all the lights are off.
opposite side से.
But a very wonderful view. Let's try to see the view on the other side. So guys, this is Ain Dubai Blue Waters. We cannot capture the beauty, but we can show a glimpse of this beautiful place where you can come and enjoy and have coffee. It's closed now. It's 2 a.m. So guys, there is a nice small food shops, juice shops, cafes, you know, just under the Ain Dubai. And again, it's one of the most luxurious places you can be to see the views of New Dubai, Dubai Marina, and very well executed. We could not make it on time, but again, glad that we came here to check it out. Time to say bye to Ain Dubai. It was a very, very great experience over here, but again, we could not make it because almost time to close down.
देखो साहब कैमरा में ज़्यादा क्लियर आ रहा है देखो
थोड़ा ज़्यादा
इधर ही लगा के रहा
देखो देखो साहब कैमरे में
चक्कर
यार
कौन सा सेंसर डाला हुआ है सैमसंग ने यार।
नहीं वो पार्टिकल से डिटेक्ट करता है ना जो आंख डिटेक्ट करी तुम्हारी
चल चला गाड़ी दबा आगे पुलिस से
आराम से जाओ यार पुलिस
क्या हो रहा है यार उसके
भाग रही है पागल वो चक्कर।
गाड़ी खराब फोर
We're here at the Dubai Canal and look at this grand setup over here. It's basically some sort of family function, carom board, some small games, and this is the Dubai Canal, totally secure and privatized beach with the great views of the Burj Khalifa and a nice walkway. See this place, just mind-boggling. Let's go and find out how much it's cost. I think we found someone. So guys, you can get this beautiful luxury experience across the Dubai Canal beach with views of Burj Khalifa for as low as 1200 for up to 6 to 7 hours. Your own food, and come and visit this beautiful place. Bring your family, bring your loved ones. You'll not regret. This is one of the best isolated places I've seen in Dubai after being here 30 years. So make sure you come. So guys, Dubai Canal, every car, almost 5 to 6 people. You to buy fuel prices. Even this car, 4 people
निकाल
are.
यार इधर से यार प्लीज अब तक करोना निकाल
Dubai Canal view.
ओए उसामा लास्ट टाइम